my name is Loralye.
And my Sarawiti School, I'm Breana. Welcome to N.E.W.S News for our upper the 3rd of June.
Okay, let's start today with the kupu or te wiki.
This week's word is Hamoa, which is te reo for Samoa.
Our big ka pai to all the runners in the junior cross country yesterday.
Conditions were perfect and there were a lot of happy faces. Well done.
Kia ora. This term, Wednesday is Library Day, open from 12:40 until 1:10 for browsing, issues and returns.
There are librarians ready to help and it's nice and warm. Remember to leave your shoes at the door.
Book club orders are due next Friday, so get those named envelopes into the office.
Remember, every order helps the library earn new books for the school.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again. Or you can read all the notices in the text box below. Hi, little fella.
School choir news. You have your first practice in the hall at lunchtime.
Please take your lunches and be there at 12:30.
Okay, a reminder about some of the grass areas around the school that are getting a bit boggy.
Most students are thinking carefully about where they play and making wise choices in the playground. Kia ora.
High-vis vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Okay, that's all for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kitea popo.
Stay clean, stay dry and stay away from the mud, WINTON School.